Uno put in Indicom, and when Indicom start investigate, Uno said one, shut down the people them, and fire most of them because they attack the truth. The same thing Uno try to do with the Integrity Commission. Because of Edward's job, Siaga, my mother money was she saving a mutual life. Our workers bank for send me and my sister them go to school. The man said, don't remember that money, $22.4 million. Eh? National Housing Trust. My father was supposed to get two horse. My father 30 years with my father get. 2 horse. The man take out the whole money to housing trust, so we must borrow loan against the money. That means if your father this year 500,000 at that time, which is now $10 million, your father had to borrow a loan of $10 million and pay back $20 million. Explain to me what have the Labour government done for Jamaica. And we'll still like we have amnesia, but what?
Mighty God.
But what? Gave his district water after 40 years of burning and going to the district without water. And the water was 200 feet away. Explain that to me. He beat the Labour right and he beat the PMP. But PMP, because we know of accept the truth, we never drive against him and I say we never want him in our party. I only see one carry the man go a quarter and we had to give him support. I want to come and talk about what I put on. When me love her and I can't remember she can't win down there.
Wow. Slim, trust me.
Take me down, please. This man infuriate my spirit and me call my ancestors them were dead for Jamaica to be a free nation angry.
Speak, sister, speak.
So your mouth when you have to back your leg or your mouth goods.
Hey man, when we angry man. We have come talk, so brother, you want evidence against this woman. You want evidence against your party. The woman hire people to kill her own people and people to pay for people to kill people. And when they turn around back on her, they want to turn around and say, what? She's innocent of what? Remember, say a phone gun kill much in people, you know, and turn up after 15 years, commit a next murder. When I come talk to we say now, when evidence against you, must turn a blind eye for no kiss which cheek. We bat the jaw, we don't want to know what panic for give a bump. Bump and bottom is very uncomfortable. We cannot sit. And we're tired of Uno. Uno come for give with prosperity. And we could sleep with our doors open. But put on more grill pan the house where I live in now. My money disappear out of the bank and I can't find it. And I talk for everybody in Jamaica with no excuse. Your prime minister has 24 accounts and is wanted for money laundering. International countries are watching him keenly. As CNN and BBC World use me watch as me say I cannot admit it.
Dre, take me down front of the box.
Okay.
We're tired of Uno. Uno too lie. Our phone level of amnesia is a 2 second something. Uno do the something tomorrow man on the door. Remember say Uno do it. I don't have a fear-mongering attitude. I'm not afraid of Uno.
28 bank accounts, Slim, them say, I know 24 or 20.
About 28 bank accounts, him have. Imagine that.
Sister, speak.
27. $2.7 trillion in taxpayers' money has been missing in the last 15 years. And they would not sit down with no hand clasp and no foot cock up and a smile at us. This is the reason why Jamaica has no road. That's the reason why Jamaica has no health care system. You have people in a phone said one diated community that is exploiting the PART program. And the person, the old man, them and the old woman, them will need PART cannot get any assistance. Hurricane burial blow and the food basket, them still don't see them member of parliament. And you want to come say what to the people about fertilizer? Where is the road? They supply the international market with 70% of both yam, sweet potato, and other produce. Where is the road? Where is the water for the trucks to drive, come pick up the produce? Where are the factories to provide works for the persons who need it? Factories to provide works for the persons.
One more water and one more road you want. 18 year PMP and they never do nothing.
Miss, 18 years what I want. 18 years what I want. When you done the thief the money already and your prime minister say him no member the $40 million where him thief. Where we get it from? We no magic shall drive out of the sky, miss. And we still renew all of the international
continue,
relations where we
please.
no damage. And we go build them back. And we go build them back. All of the Commonwealth, something they want to shut down, and we go build them back. All of the international relations with Norway and China and them place there, we go build them back. Where we don't care come get the country more than sufferation. When you in a lower house, you see one of the black everything will benefit Jamaican people.
Speak about Veronica as well.
So what now come do? She distribute how much computer. Remember them they split between schools. And never one school get them. We don't have amnesia. Jay, take me down, please.
Big up yourself, Slim. My God.
I will take down Mrs. 18 here. Someone remind her the same.
Jay, Pernell try to get some money with you for some people on a Rocky for the people in 5,000 each. You know what the man do? The man got a supermarket himself to buy 2 pounds of flour, 1 bakra oil, 1 lasco, 1 sachets, 2 tin mackerel. When the people them go up a hills and things, say the 5 grand then go get. And they want to come back with the 2 so the people say with the 5 grand, the man say him take the liberty to buy the stuff them because him know the.
My God. My God.
Yes, in Ireland.
You know, we're ready for them, you know.
Comrades! We have to take a break, the people, because Slim just drop. Mr. Slim a while ago make the People's National Party get 150 extra votes. You don't believe me? Big up yourself, Comrade Slim. Me say, I know no less than 150 votes. Slim make the People's National Party just get a while ago. What a shame.
Labor right must go down now. Go down now. Quick. Ease up. Mix that. I'm a golden turn now. He now come here for sit down. Me say you come return now. Mix that. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade. Labor right, them a go down bang. Them a go down bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come. Is ready. Marky G is the one. Marky G have the plan. This a fi all Jamaican.
Pull up. Hey, we have to give thanks to social media, you know, and the Dre Bryan platform, because only over social media we get to hear the raw truth where the people them endure. You think you're going to hear people talk like this on TVJ and CVM that has been controlled by the government and these radio
Say something
stations?
quick before